Getting a new, high-quality grill is an investment. You should protect your investment, keep it looking and working well with a good grate cover. Exposure to the elements and direct sunlight can do a number on your grill far faster than you might think. You can usually save a decent amount of money buying a third-party grill cover instead of the overpriced branded cover sold by your grill's maker. There are many grill covers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best grill cover from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Heavy Duty Barbecue GQ Grill Cover. Introducing the Heavy Duty Barbecue GQ Grill Cover, your ultimate solution for protecting your outdoor cooking companion. Crafted with premium fade-resistant polyester fabric and a waterproof vinyl coating, this Grill Tough cover offers unparalleled protection against UV rays, rain, tearing, and cold cracking. Its heavy-duty construction ensures your grill remains safe from all outdoor elements, while sturdy fastening straps provide a secure fit that won't slip or blow away in windy conditions. Available in sizes ranging from 28 to 72 inches, our cover is compatible with popular brands like Weber, Charbroil, and Nexgrill. Maintenance is a breeze. Simply hose down to clean and air dry in the sun. Remember to let your grill cool completely before covering. With its superior durability and easy care, our heavy-duty barbecue grill cover is the perfect investment to extend the life of your grill and keep it ready for your next outdoor culinary adventure. Number 2. Unicook Grill Cover for Weber Genesis. Introducing the Unicook Grill Cover for Weber Genesis, a 58-inch premium outdoor grill protector designed to fit Weber Genesis IAK, Schwarz 300, and Genesis 300 series grills, as well as other 3.5 burner grills up to 56W from brands like Charbroil and Nexgrill. Crafted with heavy-duty, fade-resistant polyester fabric and a waterproof vinyl coating, this cover offers superior protection against UV rays, rain, tear, and cold cracking. Its wind-resistant design features sturdy fastening straps for a snug fit, preventing slippage or blow-offs in gusty conditions. Convenient fabric handles on top make installation and removal effortless, while also serving as hanging points for easy storage. This cover ensures your grill stays safe from all elements, maintaining its pristine condition year-round. Please note that it's not compatible with Weber 2022 Genesis 300 series grills. Number 3. Grillman Large Waterproof BBQ Grill Cover. Introducing the Grillman Large Waterproof BBQ Grill Cover, a premium outdoor grill protector designed to fit popular gas and charcoal grill models. This black heavy-duty cover offers unparalleled protection against harsh weather conditions. Crafted with durable materials, it withstands rain, snow, and sun, ensuring your grill remains in pristine condition year-round. The cover's secure fit and wind-resistant design feature fabric hooks and adjustable loop straps, preventing it from blowing away in strong winds. Unique side straps provide additional tightness for extreme outdoor conditions. Maintenance is effortless. Simply spray with water and sun-dry to keep your cover looking great. The Grillman cover's waterproof design not only makes cleaning a breeze but also guarantees long-lasting protection for your big barbecue or gas grill. Number 4. King Kong Gas Including Grill Brush. Introducing the King Kong Gas Grill Cover, a premium outdoor grill protector designed to fit Weber Spirit 2 300 series gas grills, as well as Spirit 210 with tables up and Weber Genesis Silver 1/2 models. This versatile cover measures 52 inches in length, 26 inches in width, and 43 inches in height, offering a perfect fit for your grill. Crafted from a newly developed high-quality polyester fabric, it provides exceptional resistance to water and high temperatures, ensuring durable protection against various weather conditions. Maintenance is effortless. Simply hose down with water and let it dry in the sun to keep it clean and ready for use. Number 5. Amazon Basics Gas Grill Barbecue Cover. Introducing the Amazon Basics Gas Grill Barbecue Cover, a versatile outdoor protector designed to fit most gas grills up to 60 x 28 x 46 inches. This medium-sized cover is perfect for everyday use and especially valuable during the off-season. Crafted from durable woven polyester fabric with a water-resistant backing, it offers superior protection against rain, snow, sun, and dust, ensuring your grill remains in pristine condition year-round. Innovative air vents minimize the risk of condensation buildup while preventing the cover from billowing in windy conditions. The cover's secure fit is guaranteed by an elastic bungee cord, keeping it firmly in place even during unexpected wind gusts or breezy weather. This thoughtful design combines practicality with durability, making it an essential accessory for any grill owner. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.